Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix microphone not working issue on iPhone. Have you ever been on a call when suddenly the person on the other end cannot hear you? It can be pretty frustrating if your device has decided to go mute on you. Fear not, in this video I will show you how to fix the error when the microphone on your iPhone is not working properly. First of all, you have to do is clean the iPhone microphones. It may sound like a no-brainer, but sometimes your iPhone microphone stop working due to debris or dirt clogging it. As a result, it's recommended cleaning your iPhones every once in a while. Before proceeding, remember to excuse caution to not damage the delicate hardware component. After this, then you have to disable your Bluetooth on your iPhone. Although Bluetooth facilitates smooth connectivity to various devices and accessories, it sometimes can interfere with the functionality of microphone on your iPhone. So you have to do is simply disable it. To disable it, you have to scroll down from the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see the option Bluetooth. Simply disable it. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone. If your iPhone microphone is not working, a simple restart may resolve the problem. To restart your iPhone, you have to open your settings, tap on General, now tap on Shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.1.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.